One of the things that premium and standard member service providers on Serv get to do is to post job openings, and on this video I'm going to show you how to create a job opening as a premium or standard member on Serv B2b marketplace. First thing first, you want to make sure that you are logged in. Once you're logged in, come to your dashboard. Now this is the dashboard that I'm going to be using here. I'm going to be using a dashboard to show you how to create a job opening, and you're gonna have this option here, job opening. You want to make sure that you click here. Once you click here, it's gonna take you to this dashboard here. As you can see already, Click Africa has already created one job opening and it's got 41 views. So once you created a job opening, you'll also get to see how many people have viewed the job that you posted here, which is good. Now we're gonna post our job opening here. You wanna make sure that you come here and click on new job opening. Now once you're here, this is very important, right? While you're adding all your information here, you can come here and select yes, because if you don't select here the job opening, it won't publish. So you want to make sure that every time after you added all the details, you come here and click on yes. Because we haven't added anything yet, just gonna keep it at no. Now the job opening, just gonna say it's gonna be just a junior campaign manager. Campaign, company name, you add the company name, of course, and starting salary. You can decide to add the number here. Just say 10,000. If it's full time, it's part time. This is where you're gonna be selecting the options here, and also the employment date. Maybe this is for the 1st of June. Let's say 1st of June. Leave it like that. The location, very important. Add the location here of the company. And then the tags, right? So I'm just saying if it's gonna be tags are there to help people find you easy on Google search engine. So it is important that you add tags and separate them using comma. On this one, I'm just gonna leave it to one tag, but there shouldn't be a space. Yeah, so we do like this. And then external web link, very important. So you want to make sure that you add the link where people can apply after they've seen the job opening that you're going to be posting here. Now I've got my link already here. I'm just going to copy this and add it here. And also want to make sure that you add the description about the job opening. I've also prepared that here. I'm just going to copy and paste this here. Just gonna do this much better. Just gonna underline this so that it looks nice and neat. Right, and also this one, I'm just gonna keep it bold. So this one, I'm just gonna keep it bold and kind of eliminate these spaces here. Right, now once you've added all the description here and you are happy, yes, and you are happy with everything here that you've added, now you can click on save. One of the things that you can add is I'm just gonna show quickly the same link where people can apply. And let's say apply here. We're gonna add a button here. Open new tab, style, and here's how it looks like. It's more professional. Now once you're happy with all your details, you want to click on save. Now after you save the job opening, you can view it before you publish it, right? Let's go view it. And here is how our job opening that we created it looks like. Now if there's something that you would like to change, because this is how it's gonna look like when someone comes, here after they find you on Google search engine, right? If you are not happy with something else here, you can go back here and edit it before you can publish your job opening. Now because I'm happy with everything so far here, I'm just gonna publish this. And you can also add an image. On this video here, I'm not gonna add an image. Now once I've selected yes, publish, you wanna save again. Now once it's saved, my job opening is officially published. Alright, there you have it, how to create a job opening on Serv B2b Marketplace as a service provider.